Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Christine. I will list all my socials down below. Now, today, finally, I am recording a video. It's been quite a few months, probably about 2, since I last recorded a video. You guys know, if you are not new to my channel, I moved states. So moving states and waiting for all my items to arrive from the movers took about over a month, and then actually getting rid of all the boxes. So I'm in my new closet. You guys can see, definitely love this closet more than my last closet. Now that I have everything in order, I am able to sit down and actually record for you guys. So I wanted to show you guys everything that I received that's new since you last saw me. So I did purchase a few Jibbitz and I wanted to share them with you. So you know I'm big on like the set Jibbitz because they have a whole theme going on and you get more bang for your buck. So I ordered these because if you guys remember when I was redecorating my Crocs, I needed more Christmas Jibbitz for my Christmas Crocs. So I will be using these for my Christmas Crocs. And I think it's so cute. It has like the Christmas plaid, the holiday ham, the Christmas tree, the Santa Claus, and the fa la la. So that's really cute. Then, even though I have complained about these in the past because these tend to come out and separate from the backs of them, normally I would have to like glue it back, but I do like the fact that they're great for like filler Jibbitz, I call them. So if there's like a little space that I need a Jibbit to fill that's small, these are perfect for that. So I love to buy these. So I got a package of this. And these I think were perfect for 4th of July. I'm debating on whether I want to get a new 4th of July Croc because my 4th of July Crocs are kind of old at this point. But I'll probably, for now, decorate them what I have and I'll show you guys. So I got this set. I thought it was really, really cute. And it'll go perfect with my 4th of July Crocs. Then we have this set, which is like a little baking set. The cupcake, the cookie. It's just so adorable. I love it. Then we have this. This one I thought was really, really cute. I love these Jibbitz. They're more like hard, as you can see, compared to the other ones that are more like gummy looking. But I love these because I love the colors. They're very vibrant, and I'm sure I can find a place for these in one of my Crocs. So I love this little set. Then this set is very gaudy, but I love it. So it has a 3D heel. It has what looks like a martini glass or no, it can't be a champagne glass. It looks like a martini glass. And then we have the 3D rainbow, queen, and then some dollars. I thought this was adorable, and I can definitely see me using all of these. Probably not on the same Croc, but definitely can find a spot for these. And I love this because it has like the glitter inside that moves. Then I got these for the summertime. These are so cute, and I'm sure I can find a spot for these. I have quite a few summer Crocs with vibrant colors that would match perfectly with these. So of course I'm gonna have to like go back and see which Crocs I'm not like super excited about the placement of Jibbitz and just go back and redecorate. And you guys will see videos of that. So just keep an eye out for that. But yeah, this is really cute. I think it's adorable and it's perfect for summertime. Then in terms of like the little separate Jibbitz that I got. So this one is like a 3D star. I love this. It's so cute, sequined. And then we have this one. Great to add when I have a lot of silver Jibbitz, silver hardware Jibbitz that I'm sure I can find a spot for this one. So then we have one of my favorite sandwiches of all time, a bacon, egg, and cheese. You guys know I'm from New York. I'm originally from New York, from the Bronx. And I used to live off bacon, egg, and cheese. So when I saw this Jibbit, I thought it was hilarious. So yeah, definitely love this little Jibbit. Then we have this one, which is marshmallows on a stick. Really cute by the fire. We have this one, which is a chocolate vanilla swirl ice cream. Oh my God, I used to love these ice creams in the summertime, especially in New York when the ice cream truck would pass by. So I just thought this was so cute. Then we have like a 3D sundae Jibbit. I tried to get the whole set. I ordered it, and then for some reason, I don't know if it was back ordered or they just didn't have it available, but they canceled it. So I was only able to order this one. But this one normally comes with a whole 3D sundae set. But for whatever reason, they didn't send it to me. They just sent me this one, which is fine. But I love it. Then this one looks so realistic. It's crazy. I thought this was so cute. I could definitely see me using this one for the crock that I had put like all the candies in. You guys seen it. I did a orange crock, I believe, with all the like Hershey's Kisses and Reese's Pieces, Jibbitz. So I think this would go perfect with that. And then this one kind of feels like a cloud almost. It has like cotton. Well, feels cottony. And you can see it has the glitter on the sides. But I thought this one was so adorable. We got this one, which is World's Best Pizza. And I'm obsessed with pizza. It's one of my favorite meals. So I thought this was so cute. Then we have this one, which is just a match. I loved it because of the colors. So figure I'd get that. And then lastly, we have another Hershey's Kiss. I think actually my mother gave me this one because she's not too keen on like really big 3D Jibbits. So she gifted me this one because I'm pretty sure I have these 3D Hershey Kisses, but I could always use another. And that's it in terms of Jibbits that I have that's new. I also have Jibbits that from the big pile that you guys saw when I was recording in San Diego before I moved. I have this big pile here and I haven't used these, but I also plan on going back in my Crocs and seeing like what doesn't work for me or what I don't like. So yeah, you'll be seeing videos on that. I have them all organized here, which is nice, but I want to show you guys the newest Crocs that I have. So in terms of the newest ones that you guys have never seen, I got a pair of, these are like from Little Nas X. It was a collaboration. And obsessed with these. Now, if you are going to order these, you have to keep in mind, normally you guys know I order a size women's 9. I'm like a true 8.5, I would say. But I tend to go up a size, half a size, just because like I've said before, I don't like it to feel too exact. But with these, I got an 8. So you guys can see it's a women's 8. And I think just when it's real big platform in general, I don't want to get them so big because it looks ridiculous. So these I got in a woman's 8. This is what they look like. It's a cross between like a burgundy and brown. I didn't put any Jibbits on it because I just love how they look like this. I love the heel. You guys know I live for a platform. So yeah, obsessed with these. I have worn them. They are comfortable, but keep in mind, I love platforms. So what might be comfortable for me might not be for someone else. Then I have these. Now these are regular classic Crocs, and they have like little, you guys can see up close, like little gold droplets, and they are kind of 3D. So when I tried or I attempted to put like a Jibbit in here, I felt like it was kind of out of place because the surrounding little 3D glitter droplets, I feel like it just is in the way. But it's fine because I feel like this is fine. You know what I mean? It has enough going on where it doesn't need any Jibbits, but I think they're so cute. And I got these in this store called Rack Room, which they also have a website. So you guys, if you want these and you want to order them online, you can. We just have to go through the Crocs. I think it's quite a few pages, but they definitely have them. And they're so cute. I love them. And then lastly, I don't want to be like on the Barbie bandwagon because I'm already so tired of Barbie, seeing so many things and posts about Barbie. But honestly, I've always been obsessed with Barbie as a little kid. So when I saw these Crocs, I was obsessed. I haven't watched the movie yet. I can't with all the hype. I think it's too much. I'd rather wait till it comes on TV. But yeah, I'm obsessed with Barbie. Well, I was obsessed with Barbie as a kid, and I'm obsessed with the color pink. So I got these classic Crocs. Now I love these because you guys can see on the side, it has Barbie's silhouette, which is really cute. How cute is that? I have worn them before. So I'm going to show you what they look like. And they come with these Jibbits on here already. How cute are these? So it has like the Barbie Jibbit. It has what looks like the Barbie box. Has the roller skates, her jacket, little boom box. These are like little sunnies, I'm assuming. And then the infamous Barbie car with another Barbie logo Jibbit on there on the side. And I think they're so cute. The little strap says Barbie, so when you're wearing it like this, it's just perfect. So cute. Of course, if you wear it like this, it's going to be upside down. But nonetheless, I feel like it still looks adorable. Either way. And I got these in my regular size 9 because you guys can see, for example, the reason why I like to get them a little bigger. See how it doesn't stretch far enough or as far as the back of your Croc. So you want to make sure, if you are a person that likes to wear your Crocs with the strap on the back, you want to make sure you have enough space. Of course, I always recommend you trying on your Crocs in person, but for whatever reason, if you can't, I would order a half size up, just so that way, if you are going to wear them this way, you can. But yeah. So yeah, that is all I have in terms of what you haven't seen since my last video. And yeah, this is all my sneakers. It's mostly Crocs, like 98%, but this is what it looks like. With my bags and stuff over there. Those are like fajas, which are always great to have. And yeah. So yeah, this is the end of the video, short and sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And whatever videos you do want to see, please let me know down below in the comments. And I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.